This dictation material has been obtained from official para 15 and newspaper. It has further been decided that all the government departments should be required to indicate quota for ex-servicemen while accept another recommendations of the committee to the effect that in addition to the reservation already mentioned in para, they should adhere to the quota for ex-servicemen in respect of person employed in the field project after giving first priority to the displaced persons. Full stop. The provincial government has accepted this recommendation and desired that this may also be implemented accordingly. Full stop. These instructions may please be noted for careful and prompt compliance by government departments as well as semi-autonomous organizations. Full stop. The progress made towards their implementation may be incorporated in the periodical returns required to be submitted to the Director Labour Welfare, who will arrange to consolidate the same and route them to Home Department through the Labour Department with his comments thereon. Full stop. I am directed to refer to this department's circular letter dated the 19th April 1960 on the subject noted above, and to say that a question has arisen as to the extent of relaxation of educational qualifications permissible in the case of commissioned officers. Full stop. According to Section 3 of Ordinance 2 of 1969 FA and FSC on successful completion of appropriate course in the academy, full stop, unseen para. The gas sector reforms envisioned by Prime Minister Shahid Khaqan Abbasi appeared getting delayed beyond January 2019, mainly because of procedural hiccups and opposition from the provinces. Full stop. Based on recommendations of the World Bank, Prime Minister Shahid Khaqan Abbasi has been asking the provincial government at all forums for gas sector reforms that envisage dismantling of the existing two gas utilities into at least 5 public sector companies and facilitation of private operators into the system. Full stop. During the course of deliberations, the centre and the provinces decided to appoint a transaction advisory firm to examine what impact the dismantling of Sui Northern Gas Pipelines Limited and Sui Southern Gas Company Limited would have on the share capital, equity and return to the shareholders, and how to move forward on the reforms. Full stop. Above 9 local and international firms showed interest in becoming the transaction advisors, and some of them expressed concerns over the tight deadlines of the job and conditions. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as PA in Civil Secretariat, as well as Principal Ajmer Shorthand and Computer College, Shahadra.